Hello friends, hope you are all doing good and welcome back to my channel once again. So today we are going to make butter chicken in my style. This is a very simplified version and very easy to make, and the taste is just like the restaurant butter chicken, because we all love butter chicken and always end up ordering butter chicken and naan whenever we dine out. So why not make this easy peasy recipe at home and enjoy it nice and fresh. I'm sure once you make this recipe you'll agree with me. It's so easy and hardly takes time once the preparation is done earlier. So, shall we proceed?
Butter chicken, the most popular chicken preparation, loved by everyone. Soft and succulent. The gravy is so delicious you can enjoy with rotis and naans. For this we have taken boneless chicken, about 750 grams. Use the thigh pieces for this. Cut them to smaller pieces like we do for tikkas. And then we have homemade tomato puree 1.5 cups. Check out the link and see how to make tomato puree at home. Homemade is always better. Onion paste 1 cup. Here I have fried the onion, sauteed it until translucent and ground it. Or you can use the boiled onion paste also, but never use the raw one. Cream as needed 3 to 4 tablespoons. Tomato ketchup 1 tablespoon. Ghee 1 tablespoon or as needed. Butter 1 tablespoon or as needed. Oil. I'm going to mix all the three. Then we have cashewnut powder 1/4 cup. Yogurt 2 tablespoons for marination. Alternately, you can also use lemon juice about 1 tablespoon. Here we have ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Tandoori masala or mixed spices 2 tablespoons. I have mixed garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, chilli powder. Salt as needed. Kashmiri chilli powder 1 teaspoon. This gives a lovely color. Tandoori food color 1 pinch. And kasuri methi 1 teaspoon. Ingredients also can be checked in the description box. Let's marinate the chicken first. Transfer the pieces into a larger bowl. Add salt, mixed spices. Add half of them, saving half for later. Kashmiri chilli powder, ginger garlic paste. Here goes in the yogurt. Pinch of tandoori color, food color. Now we are going to mix all these together. Mix until the spices are well coated on the chicken pieces. This is done. Cover it and set it aside for few hours. The more you marinate, the better it tastes. Heat oil, butter and ghee in a pan over medium flame. Once they melt, add the cashewnut powder. Saute it until it changes color. Reduce the flame to low. Otherwise the cashewnut paste will become dark brown in color. We don't want that. Now add the onion puree. Continue to stir. Couple of minutes. Maintain low flame. It's very important to keep stirring it. You can see now the oil has started separating. At this stage, stir in the tomato puree. Continue to stir. This is a slightly different method which I find it very easy. Add salt, add the Kashmiri chilli powder and the remaining spice powders. Add the tomato ketchup. This balances the flavors. Butter chicken is always mild in flavors, it's not too spicy. A pinch of tandoori color to give more color to the gravy. Keep stirring on low flame. In between you can cover and simmer it for some time, but very low flame. You can see now the oil has started separating. But in between, open the lid and give it a stir. Because of cashew paste, it gets stuck to the bottom of the pan. Taste the salt. Add if required. I'm adding little more Kashmiri chilli powder also. Lovely color. Now we'll simmer it until the oil separates. Whole process of making this gravy has to be done on low and medium, adjusting it in between. Now we'll set this aside, heat a grill pan. Grease it and line the marinated chicken pieces on it. You can also grill it in the oven if you want to. Now we will cook this chicken, flipping it few times until it is done, which takes nearly about 10 minutes. Boneless chicken doesn't take a very long time. Flip them. While you are making the gravy side by side on the other gas, you can do this also. I am showing it separate, but while the gravy is being done, this also can be ready. So you save the time. Let them get little bit charred so that the tandoori look is there on the chicken pieces. Sprinkle little water if the water is dried up, so that they remain moist and succulent. Check for the doneness. It should be nearly done because little bit it will be cooked with the gravy also. Now transfer them into the gravy. Friends, if you are new to the channel, a small request, do subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Click on the bell icon and choose the all option so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. And I hope you are enjoying my videos. Do share them with your friends also. Now the juices from the grill pan also can be added to the pan. If you wish to have more gravy, you can add little more water, but I am not adding any because the chicken is nearly done. Cover and simmer it little bit so that everything gets cooked together. Such lovely color of the gravy. Such a nice aroma in the kitchen. Check the taste. Adjust if anything is required. Simmer it a bit. So you can see the lovely, by simmering the oil and butter, everything has floated on top. Chicken is also done. At this stage, stir in the cream. About 2 or 3 tablespoons or as you like. After adding the cream, we should not overcook it, just 1 or 2 boils. Now finally add the kasuri methi. What I've done is slightly roasted the kasuri methi and crushed it. This makes it more flavorful. And spoon in little bit of butter finally. This is optional. If you wish to add, you can add it. So here our butter chicken is ready to be served. Dish it out and enjoy with naans and rotis. Even Rumali roti tastes good with this. This is such a delicious and definitely a party dish. Kids' favorite too. Everyone enjoys butter chicken. Let's do the tasting. The chicken is so tender. Very well cooked. Let me take some naan and taste the gravy. These are tawa naans. I had posted Nawabi naans earlier. You can check out the recipe also. I'm sharing the link here. So delicious. You have to give it a try and let me know how is this simplified version, my style butter chicken. I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you for watching, and here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out and stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then.